Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are going to do a live demo of the modifiers pattern in Pointcut Expressions. In the last video, we covered the theory. We learned that the modifier is optional, that Spring AOP can only intercept public methods through its proxy, and that CGLIB proxy can potentially intercept protected methods as well. Now, let's stop talking theory and verify all of this in real code. We are going to test 3 scenarios. First, Pointcut with public modifier. Does it intercept only public methods? Second, Pointcut without any modifier. What does it actually intercept? Third, Pointcut with protected modifier. Can Spring AOP intercept protected methods through CGLIB proxy? Let's find out, live in the console. Follow my screen. Alright, for this demo, let's create a new class called Modifier Demo. Alright, look at the screen. I have created modifier demo in the same package as the controller. And I want to explain exactly why, because this is important. In Java, a protected method can only be accessed from 3 places. The same class, the class where the method is declared. A subclass, any class that extends the declaring class. The same package, any class in the same package as the declaring class. So if modifier demo is in a different package, and we try to call a protected method, Java will throw a compilation error. It will not even compile. AOP never gets a chance to intercept anything. This is not an AOP rule. This is core Java access control. AOP works on top of Java. It cannot bypass these fundamental rules. So by placing modifier demo in the same package, we ensure Java allows the protected method call in the first place. And then, we can test whether Spring AOP can intercept it. Alright, let's add a public method inside modifier demo. Keep it simple, just a method with a log inside. Alright, now let's add a protected method as well. Simple. Same structure as the public method. Just the access modifier is different. Alright, now let's call these methods from the controller. Alright, first things first. Let's inject modifier demo into the controller. Alright, now let's create a get API. Calling both methods we just created. Alright, follow my screen carefully. We are going to update our Pointcut expression in logging aspect. Previously, our expression targeted demo service. Now we are changing it to target modifier demo. First, change the return type from string to void. Next, replace demo service with the fully qualified name of modifier demo. And for the method name, use asterisk wildcard. Because we want to target all methods in modifier demo, both public method and protected method. Now, look at the public modifier in the expression. This is the key part of our test. By specifying public, we are telling Spring AOP, only intercept methods that are declared as public. Ignore everything else. So with this expression, only public method should be intercepted. Protected method should be ignored because it is not public. Let's run it and confirm. Hit the API. Alright, look at the console carefully. Let's read through this together. First, the controller log printed. Next, look carefully. Before public method runs, our aspect log fired. And look at what the aspect log shows. The method name, display message. The modifier, public. Everything extracted correctly by join point. The aspect intercepted the public method perfectly. Then, public method, log printed. The actual method ran after the advice. And now, look at what happens next. This is the important part. After public method, the next log is directly from protected method. No aspect log. No at before advice. Nothing. Protected method was called, and the aspect was completely silent. It did not fire. It did not intercept. It completely ignored the protected method. This proves, with public modifier in the Pointcut, Spring AOP only intercepts public methods. Protected methods are ignored completely. Alright, now let's change the modifier in the Pointcut from public to protected. Now, think about what this should do. We changed the modifier to protected. So the Pointcut is now saying, only intercept methods that are declared as protected. Alright, Pointcut is updated to protected. Let's start the application. Hit the API. Alright, look at the console carefully. Let's read through this together. First, the controller log. Next, public method, log printed directly. No aspect log before it. No interception. That is exactly right. Our Pointcut specifies protected, so public method is completely ignored. Now, look at this carefully. This is the interesting part. Before protected method runs, our aspect log fired. And look at what the aspect log shows. The method name, protected display message. The modifier, protected. Spring AOP, through the CGLIB proxy, successfully intercepted the protected method. And then, protected method, log printed. The actual method ran after the advice. This is very important. This confirms two things. First, the protected modifier in the Pointcut works as a precise filter. Public method, ignored. Protected method, intercepted. Second, Spring AOP using CGLIB proxy can intercept protected methods. Alright, now let's test the most important scenario. We are going to remove the modifier completely from the Pointcut expression. Remember, the modifier pattern is optional. We covered this in the theory video. And now let's see what actually happens when it is omitted. No public. No protected. No modifier at all. Now the question is, with no modifier specified, which methods will Spring AOP intercept? Will it intercept only public method? Will it intercept only protected method? Or will it intercept both? Start the application. Hit the API. Alright, look at the console carefully. Let's read through this together. First, the controller log. Next, look carefully. Aspect log fires for public method. Our before advice intercepted public method, before it even ran. Then, public method log. The actual method ran after the advice. And now, look at what comes next. This is the interesting part. Aspect log fires again, this time for protected method. Yes, Spring AOP intercepted the protected method too. And then, protected method log. The actual protected method ran after the advice. This is very important. With no modifier in the Pointcut, Spring AOP intercepted both methods, public and protected. This confirms everything we discussed. With public modifier, only public intercepted. With protected modifier, only protected intercepted. With no modifier, both intercepted. And the reason protected was intercepted is because Spring Boot uses CGLIB proxy by default. CGLIB creates a subclass, and subclasses can override protected methods. That is what made this possible. Going forward, we'll omit the modifier pattern in most cases. And that brings us to the end of this video. Today we did a complete live demo of the modifier pattern in Pointcut Expressions. We tested 3 scenarios: public modifier, protected modifier, and no modifier. And the console proved exactly what Spring AOP can and cannot intercept. In the next video, we are going to cover the return type pattern. How to use specific return types. So make sure you do not miss that. If this video helped you, please like it. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I read every single one. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.